Wetin we do rain like dis? Everyday rain, wetin we do rain? Chineke na, see me with my cardigan, who wan kpai me? um Rain is too much oo. Till today see rain still raining. See cloth that I've wash, see am, dey never dry. See cloth, see the one see the one that I've not even hang. Hi Jesus Christ, and they are still wearing. See cloth everywhere. Rain too much oo. See cloth, dis one wey I don wash e still dey here, I never dry am. See cloth, dis one dey don wear am already. Cloth full everywhere. Wetin person do rain like dis? Cloth wey I wash since how many, dis rain is excess oo, too much. Who wan kpai person? Which kind wahala be dis one now? Wetin we go call all dis one? I've not seen dis type of rain before. um Cloth too, it's drizzling. Wetin be all dis one? Abeg, how is your side? Because cold is too much oo. Cold is excess. I've not experienced dis type of cold. Hey!